Hello Foxes and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. I am also known as SHOPFOXBURROW on sites like Poshmark and Etsy and Instagram and of course here on YouTube. And today I am excited to bring you my next Stitch Fix. So this is my February fix and I was worried that it wouldn't arrive before my workspace got renovated, but it did, so I'm going to be able to do a try-on haul for you today. So if that sounds interesting, you like Stitch Fix videos, stick around. So for this fix, I said that I wanted to keep my same stylist because she did a good job last time. And I also said that I was really interested in plaids and that it was still cold here and I still wanted, you know, some more like warmer stuff. And I had to steal the box because I really needed it to ship something for eBay. So I have actually got the package open and you can see here, I don't know that I'm not gonna say that I'm not gonna get anything from this box because clearly last time I wanted to keep everything, but yeah, so let's go ahead and look at these. From my last box I did just end up keeping the balloon sleeve sweater. I feel like if the Madewell top hadn't been in there I might have kept all of it, but I was not able to sell the Madewell top on the Facebook boards, and so I didn't want it. I didn't want to pay for it, so I just ended up keeping just the CC balloon sleeve top. And then I actually found one of this exact same one in red on ThredUp, and I got that for $17, I think. So I'm really excited. Now I have black and red. I love them both. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm just gonna hold it up and then I'll tell you what it is and kind of give you my first impressions, and then you'll get to see a try-on video of it. And to make sure that if you like this kind of content and you like Stitch Fix videos that you subscribe, because I am trying to do more styling content this year and I get a Stitch Fix every single month. So this is a Daniel Rain top. I usually like his prints and stuff. I usually really like his prints, but I also feel like his stuff is a little overpriced. So here is the Daniel Rain top. It's got like a crochet neckline and then it's jersey, so it's got this blue floral. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive. It says that it is the Daryl Crochet Yoke Knit Top in a size large by Daniel Rain. If you hear crazy sounds, that is my children. They're upstairs. Alright, this is something. This is a Love Ellie sweater. This is the Mia back detail pullover in burgundy, size large. And it's just like this nice like maroon color. It's a very soft material, but it seems like it might pill kind of easily. I don't know. I don't put my sweaters in the dryer, but I do like the back here. And let's see what this is made out of. Rayon, polyester, and nylon. Oh, so it's very soft. It's the rayon and the nylon that make it so soft, but yeah, that's cute. I like it. Okay, horizontal stripes, not really my thing. They make my chest look really big, which you'll probably see in the try-on. This is Design History. This is the Ida Waffle Knit Pullover in off-white, size large. Do you hear my children screaming for me in the background? So lovely. Someone said they couldn't believe how quiet it was. Like, if only you knew how much I edit out. Okay, so not a huge fan of this. I do really like the texture here. You can see that it kind of has that waffle knit texture, and it is soft, but I just don't like the stripe colors, and I don't like the rayon, cotton, and nylon. Okay. Okay, let's see. I don't like this material. It's like that slinky jersey material. This is a Kaylee jumpsuit. It is cute, I will say that, and last year I might have kept it, but I actually have both a solid black and a black and white polka dot jumpsuit from Old Navy that I got on sale last year that are just pure rayon, and I absolutely love them. So comfortable, so flattering, perfect length. They have pockets. This one has pockets as well, so I'm not going to be keeping this one because I already have something similar, but this is nice. It does have the little side tie here. Let's see what this is called. Kaylee Rochelle knit jumpsuit in black. Yeah, it's a wide leg, so we'll try that on. This one I was kind of excited about because I love this color. If you've watched my Stitch Fix unboxings, you know I'm like obsessed with mustard yellow. And I just really like this color. So these are Pistola jeans. They are 30. Oh, and they're button front. Oh, I really like these. They're button front, high-rise, mustard yellow jeans. And they are the Ariana high-rise button front skinny jean in mustard. So if these are a good fit, I will probably keep them. I really like these. So cute. And it goes with like all of my earth tone stuff. Like, it goes with my shirt and everything. Love it. And it is like a skinny leg. So let's see what the stretch content is here. 68% cotton, 9% rayon, 20% polyester, and 3% spandex. So this is the type of jeans that'll probably start to like pucker after a while if you don't get the right size. So depending on the fit, I may actually size up in these, so we'll see. But I really like those. Okay, let's see what my stylist said about these pieces. She said, happy fix day. So thrilled you enjoyed your last fix and that I get to style you again. Since mustard is a popular color going into the new year, I'm sending you these skinny jeans from Pistola in that bright color. How's the fit? The button fly is the new trend on skinny jeans too. Yeah, you guys are behind. Like, I've been wanting button fly for months now. Pair it with this waffle knit pullover from Design History in stripes, or with the black, white, or with black, white, or denim tops. Since you like jumpsuits and prints, try this one from Kaylee in a stretchy knit. How's the fit on you? I included the super soft sweater from Love Ellie for its fun back detail. Actually, that would go really well with the Stitch Fix pants. I'll probably try those on together, and you probably saw that already. And let's see. The floral knit top she liked for the crochet trim. Says, please leave me feedback when you check out on what you loved and what can be improved for your next fix. Have fun trying on your new clothes, and happy 2021, Christina. Let's see the damage now. I do always look at the prices before I try stuff on. I don't know why, but I just want to know before I get like overly in love with something. Okay. The Ida waffle knit pullover, that's the one with the stripes across the top. That was $68. The Love Ellie maroon crossback pullover, that was $44. The Daniel Rain top was $58. The Pistola jeans are $88. It's not bad. And the Kaylee jumpsuit is $58. Also not too bad. So altogether $316. If you buy everything, it is minus $79, which makes it $237. So that's really not bad for this fix. I feel like the quality, and I mean, it's pretty good. So yeah, I think probably I'm just going to keep the jeans if they were a good fit. So I just wanted to come back and fill you in on what I actually decided to keep from my Stitch Fix. And that was the jeans, and I ended up falling in love with that maroon top with the cross back. I thought it was just the right amount of like sexy but still warm. So I kept that one, and then I sized up in the jeans to a size 31 instead of a 30. And yeah, so I just wanted to let you know what I ended up keeping. But let me know down in the comments below, and I hope that you will hit the subscribe button and turn on the little bell for notifications when I put out new videos. And I hope that you will tune in for some of my other styling content this year. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for another video. Bye!